Sorry, my recorder shut off. I had to just reboot it. We had one down here in Mexico, and then one up here in California. So, from there, we have earthquakes, unusual earthquakes, literally everywhere. Everywhere. Let's just check what these, I think these are pretty normal. 2.3, 2.0, totally normal. But we have earthquakes popping off from the sequence in Nevada. It looks like the sequence in Nevada is actually pretty silent, which is kind of spooky as well. We have these that are popping off at 2.4, 2.8, 2.0, 2.4. They're not too big, so not too concerning. Just a usual, just a little unusual. It's something that I like to note. Anything that's unusual, I note, and I put everything that I gather into a bigger picture to see kind of what's going on, to see how batshit crazy everything is. And today, things are crazy. So here we have an 2.8, that's almost a 3.0 in Lovelock, Nevada. This has nothing to do with the sequence of aftershocks that is below it. This is an unusual earthquake. Not terribly bad, but it's telling you that there is energy moving in different places. Then we go here to Boulder City, Nevada, a 2.1. That's not, you won't see activity in that place every day. Then we come up here to Arizona, and there's a 3.1 in Arizona, and that's again unusual. We come to New Mexico, a 2.9 and a 2.9. So what I'm seeing is that there is tremendous energy, and it's trying to find a way to release. It's releasing everywhere because it's just like, we'll ignore Oklahoma. We know that Oklahoma has a lot of earthquakes. But let's go here to Utah. That says Idaho. So where's the Utah one? Because I know that Utah did have one. Where did that go? Because that one, the one that's below it, I thought that is Arizona. So where is the Utah one? Utah just had one. It was on here just a second ago. What the heck is going on? Okay, then we come from Montana, a 2.3 and a 2.4, and then one up here. And whenever you see an earthquake, sorry, excuse my notifications. Whenever you see an earthquake in Canada that's in this area, you can assume that it's going to follow the North American Craton area down into the Idaho, Utah, Montana area, and that's exactly what it's doing. So it also seems like energy is coming from this California sequence, and it looks like it's almost following a trajectory line. Las Vegas, Arizona, St. George area. And then from the top, from Montana down into southern Idaho. And so there's two trajectory lines coming right into Salt Lake City. And I live here in Salt Lake City. And so I'm kind of on alert right now, because it is very obvious that there's a lot of energy and it doesn't know where to go. Anything could happen over the next 24 to 36 hours. I expect unusual things to happen. This is not an ordinary day, and I'm so sorry if you hear the bass in the background. It seems like someone's playing their car bass really loud. So it just seems like weird things are happening. Luckily, we don't have too much energy from Alaska coming down to fuel the fire. But you know, I would not hesitate to think that something unusual is going on. And I just wanted to make this quick update, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.